Hi everyone, today's video is a last minute random pop-up video. I just did a quick rough edit. Please forgive me if the video is not that smooth. I'm gonna show you two butter cookie ideas, Easter cookie and Hello Kitty cookies. Easter is on this coming Sunday, so hope you watch it and have fun to make cookies with your kids this weekend. 大家好，今天这是一个无预期的视频，我很快的剪辑了一下，如果不是很顺畅的话，请谅解。今天我想跟大家分享的是复活节饼干和 Hello Kitty 饼干，希望你们这个周末能一起观看我的视频，并且动手跟孩子一起享受一下烘焙时光。那我们就开始吧。Okay, let's get started. Here's a tip. Before you even get started, take out all your ingredients that's in your fridge ahead of time so that everything is in room temperature and ready to be worked with. 先给你一个小贴士，在你开始做之前，先把所有冰箱里面的食材都拿出来，先拿出来半小时或者1小时，让它变成室温，这样才能做出好吃的饼干。不要怪我没提醒你哦。In my standing mixer, I'm using the pedal attachment, adding half cup of butter that's already softened. Beat it up till fluffy. Then mix in half cup of granulated sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix it on medium speed for a couple minutes so the sugar and butter will mix it well. 在除湿机里面加入半杯软掉的黄油，注意虽然是软掉，但是还是固体，不要加入融化掉的液体黄油。搅拌松软之后，加入半杯白糖和1小撮盐，中档搅拌2分钟，让它们很好的融合在一起。再加入一个鸡蛋，搅拌均匀。Add in 1 large egg, mix it well. Add in vanilla extract and lemon or orange zest. 然后加入香草香精和柠檬或者橙子表皮的碎末。So for the lemon zest, you only want the thin yellow part on the lemon peel. You don't want the white part of the lemon because that's going to leave you a bitter taste in your cookie. 所以柠檬皮的碎末，你只需要用擦刀把柠檬皮上面最薄的那层黄色的皮擦下来就可以了，不要擦到太多白的部分，因为那样吃起来会有一点苦的味道。Next, mix in 2 to 3 tablespoons of whole milk, or you can leave it for later after you mix in the flour to adjust the softness of the dough by adding in more or less milk. 然后你就可以加入2到3勺牛奶，或者你可以在加完面粉之后再加入牛奶，这样就可以用牛奶去调整这个面团的软硬程度，然后就可以分3次把面粉加入，用低档开始搅拌。Then add in the flour in 3 times and use the lowest speed to mix it in. Make sure you start with lowest speed, otherwise you're gonna regret that you didn't listen to me. Let's see what happened to me. 一定要用低档开始搅拌面粉，如果不是的话，你就会像我一样。我们来看看发生了什么。
That was a lava.
Okay, after the big mess, the dough will be ready. Now you can put the dough into your fridge to let it chill for about 20 minutes, or you can just start working on it right away. That's not a big deal. OK, 一个小插曲之后，面粉也就好了。现在你可以把面粉放到冰箱里面冷却20分钟，但是也不是必须做这一步，可以直接开始揉面。Use your rolling pin, roll out the dough to a 1/3-inch thick flat dough. Use your cookie cutter to cut out the shapes that you desired. I'll link my Hello Kitty and Easter cookie cutters down below in case you want them. You can also check the local craft store, see if you can get some Easter cookie cutters. Or you can just use a small knife or a sharp tool to cut out the egg shape. 用擀面杖擀出1/3寸或者是半厘米厚的面饼，用饼干模具把你想要的形状切出来。我会把 Hello Kitty 和复活节主题的饼干模具链接放在下面，也可以去手工店看看能不能买到鸡蛋形的模具，或者是用刀或者牙签直接在面上面切出鸡蛋的形状也可以。都切好之后，在刷好油的烤盘上面摆好，放入冰箱的冻格冷冻20分钟，这样烤出来的饼干会更脆。When you're done cutting, transfer them to a baking pan that's already been oiled. Transfer the pan with your cookie to your freezer for 20 minutes because that's going to bring you more crispy texture. Meanwhile, you can preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 冻饼干的同时就可以预热烤炉了，375华氏度或者190度摄氏度。When the cookies are chilled, transfer the pan to the oven. Bake them about 15 to 18 minutes, depends on the thickness of your cookies. Keep an eye on it. When the edge of the cookies are turning light golden brown, it's done. 冻好的饼干放入烤炉烤15到18分钟，取决于饼干的厚度。你可以经常看一下，如果饼干的边缘开始变成金色了，就是好了。取出，完全晾凉之后进行下一步。Take out your cookies from the oven and transfer them to a cooling rack. Let them cool completely before moving on to the next step. For the Easter cookies, I use this egg shape and the bunny shape cookie cutters to cut out my cookies. 复活节主题的饼干，我是用了这个鸡蛋型的模具和小兔子型的模具。You can eat the cookie as it is. However, you can also have fun with your kids to decorate your Easter egg and bunny cookies. 这个饼干就这样吃也是很好吃，我女儿很喜欢这样吃。因为今天的主要目的是做复活节饼干，所以我们还是要装饰一下。In a bowl, sift a cup of confectioners sugar, also known as powdered sugar. This is for making cookie icing as a glue for the sprinkles to stick on the cookies. 现在在碗里面加1杯糖粉过筛，这个糖粉是用来做糖霜。Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiling water. Mix the sugar and water together. 加2到3勺热水搅开，然后把它们放进，然后把它放到一个小的保鲜袋里面。Transfer it to a Ziploc bag. Cut a tiny hole at the tipping point of the Ziploc bag. Smear the icing over your cookie by following the shape. Then use a cookie decorating needle as I'm using here, or a toothpick, circling the icing to make it smooth. 剪开一个很细的小口，让糖霜可以流出来。把糖霜按照饼干的形状涂在饼干的表面，用一个饼干工具针或者牙签把它晕开。Now you can let your kids go wild on the sprinkles. You can sprinkle it over your cookie, or you can dip the icing side of the cookie into the sprinkles. I know it can be messy, but this is not an everyday activity, so have fun. When the icing decoration is hardened, it's ready to be eaten. 现在就让小孩子自由发挥吧。你可以把彩色的糖碎撒在上面，也可以直接把糖霜蘸在这个糖碎上面。对，是会有一点乱，但是这个也不是每天都在做，所以就享受一下吧。等糖霜干掉之后就可以吃了。Hope you enjoy this video and try the recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button at the same time. See you next time. 希望你喜欢我这次的加急版视频，不要忘记点赞和订阅，还有按下小铃铛哦，谢谢，下次见。